amazing facts about the space. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Our solar system consists of the Sun and everything that orbits that Sun, like the 8, once 9, planets we all know from elementary school. But the main planets, as diverse and fascinating as they are just the beginning. Earth's neighbors in space include comets, asteroids, dwarf planets, mysterious moons and a host of strange phenomena that are so out of this world they elude explanation. Here's a list of the amazing facts about the space. Let's start. There are mountains on Pluto. Pluto is a tiny world at the edge of the solar system, so scientists assumed the dwarf planet would have a fairly uniform, crater-pocked environment. That changed when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by in 2015, sending back pictures that altered our view of Pluto forever. Among the astounding discoveries were icy mountains that are 11,000 feet, 3,300 meters, high, indicating that Pluto must have been geologically active as little as 100 million years ago. But geological activity requires energy, and the source of that energy inside Pluto is a mystery. The Sun is too far away from Pluto to generate enough heat for geological activity, and there are no large planets nearby that could have caused such disruption with gravity. Mercury is still shrinking. Mercury is already the smallest planet in the solar system, excluding the dwarf planet Pluto, of course, and the second densest after Earth. And it's only getting smaller and denser. For many years, scientists believed that Earth was the only tectonically active planet in the solar system. That changed after the Mercury surface, space environment, geochemistry and ranging MESSENGER spacecraft did the first orbital mission at Mercury, mapping the entire planet in high definition and getting a look at the features on its surface. In 2016, data from MESSENGER revealed cliff-like landforms known as fault scarps. There is water everywhere. Water was once considered a rare substance in space. In fact, water ice exists all over the solar system. It's a common component of comets and asteroids, for starters. Water can be found as ice in permanently shadowed craters on Mercury and the Moon, although we don't know if there's enough to support prospective human colonies in those places. Mars also has ice at its poles, in frost and likely below the surface dust. Even smaller bodies in the solar system have ice. Saturn's moon Enceladus, and the dwarf planet Ceres, among others. NASA scientists suspect Jupiter's moon Europa may be the most likely known candidate for extraterrestrial life because, against all expectations, there is likely liquid water below its cracked and frozen surface. Venus is swept by super-powerful winds. That some hope could harbor life. Venus is a hellish planet with a high temperature, high-pressure environment on its surface. Bone dry and hot enough to melt lead. It's not exactly a welcoming environment, and has probably always been inhospitable to life. When heavily shielded Venera spacecraft from the Soviet Union landed there in the 1970s, according to NASA each lasted a few minutes or, at most, a few hours before melting or being crushed beyond their ability to function. But even above its surface, the planet has a bizarre environment. Scientists have found that its upper winds flow 50 times faster than the planet's rotation. Mars' largest valley could eat the Grand Canyon for breakfast. At 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers, long, the immense system of Martian canyons known as Valles Marineris is more than 10 times as long as the Grand Canyon on Earth. Valles Marineris escaped the notice of early Mars spacecraft, which flew over other parts of the planet, and was finally spotted by the global mapping mission Mariner 9 in 1971. And what a sight it was to miss! Valles Marineris could stretch from coast to coast of the entire United States. Mars boasts a volcano bigger than the entire state of Hawaii. While Mars seems quiet now, gigantic volcanoes once dominated the surface of the planet. This includes Olympus Mons, the biggest volcano ever discovered in the solar system. At 374 miles, 602 kilometers, across, the volcano is comparable to the size of Arizona. It's 16 miles, 25 kilometers, high, or triple the height of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. By volume, according to NASA, Olympus Mons is 100 times larger than Earth's largest volcano, Hawaii's Mauna Loa. Scientists speculate that volcanoes on Mars can grow to such immense size because gravity there is much weaker than it is on Earth. In addition, while Earth's crust constantly moves, the Martian crust likely does not, although the debate among researchers continues. Jupiter's moon Io has towering volcanic eruptions. Compared to Earth's peaceful moon, Jupiter's moon Io may come as a surprise. The Jovian moon has hundreds of volcanoes and is considered the most active moon in the solar system, sending plumes of sulfur up to 190 miles, 300 kilometers, into its atmosphere. According to a statement from NASA, Io's volcanoes emit 1 ton, more than 900 kilograms, of gases and particles into the space near Jupiter each second. Uranus spins sideways. Uranus usually appears in classroom solar system models as a featureless blue ball, but this gas giant of the outer solar system is pretty weird on closer inspection. First, the planet rotates on its side, appearing to roll around the Sun like a ball, according to NASA's Uranus Guide. The most likely explanation for the planet's unusual orientation, about 90 degrees sideways compared to the other planets, is that it underwent some sort of titanic collision in the ancient past. Uranus's tilt causes what NASA considers to be the most extreme seasons in the solar system. Even just our neighborhood is really, really big. Depending on how carefully you do the calculations and how you arrange them, all of the planets in the solar system could fit in between Earth and its moon. The distance between the Earth and the moon varies, as does the diameter of each of the planets. They're wider at their equators, so Saturn or Jupiter or both would have to be tilted sideways for this to work, according to news site Slate. But imagine lining them all up, pole to pole. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.